Hello.
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 Have a nice day. Hi there.
Hello.
Hi there.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How's your day going?
Pretty good, thanks.
Glad to hear it.
Good evening.
Good evening to you.
Good evening.
Have a lovely walk.
How are you? How are you?
I am fine. Thank you. I am fine. Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you.
You too.
How is your day? How is your day?
It's been good, thanks. And yours?
What is your name? What is your name?
My name is Sarah. My name is Sarah.
This is my friend. This is my friend.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. And you?
Where are you from?
Canada. I'm from Toronto.
I am from Canada. I am from Canada.
Where do you live? Where do you live?
I live in the city. I live in the city.
How old are you? How old are you?
I am 20 years old. I am 20 years old.
When is your birthday? When is your birthday?
What do you do? What do you do? I'm a cartographer.
I am a teacher. I am a teacher.
Where do you work? Where do you work?
I work in an office. I work in an office.
Do you go to school?
Yeah, I do.
Do you go to school?
Yes, that's why I have all these books.
Wow,
I
that's a
study
lot.
at the university. I study at the university.
What is your major? What is your major?
I'm in sociology.
Computer science.
I study art. I study art.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I really do.
Do you like your job?
It's rewarding. I get to meet
Do
nice
you play
people like
sports? Do you play sports?
you. I play soccer. I play soccer.
What kind of music do you like? What kind of music do you like?
I listen to pop music. I listen to pop music.
Do you like to watch movies? Do you like to watch movies?
I love action movies. I love action movies.
Do you have any pets? Do you have any pets?
I
I have a small cat. I have a small cat.
Are you free today?
Maybe why?
Are you free today?
Let us get some coffee. Let us get some coffee.
Do you want to hang out? Do you want to hang out?
Can I have your phone number?
Sure.
Can I have your phone number?
It's 555-0198.
Got it.
Call
Thanks.
me later. Call me later.
Send me a message. Send me message.
I have to go now. I have to go now.
See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow.
Goodbye. Goodbye.